WolkomHome presents car frameless wiper blades. Easy to install, just remove your old wipers as shown in the video. Pick our frameless wiper blade and press the J-hook frame and open it. Insert it into the car wiper arm J-hook and move it up. And close clamps. No need for any professional or car workshop. Replace your ordinary car wiper with WolkomHome high-performance car wiper blade. U-type hook frameless design significantly reduces drag. High-grade natural rubber ensures maximum performance and give your car a modern looks.